নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে আজকে একটা অসম্ভব মনের এপিসোড, খুব প্রিয় এপিসোড, লাল সাদার ওপর এপিসোড। মা আসছেন। আজকের এপিসোডটা আগমনী কালেকশনের ওপর। আমাদের বাঙালিদের মধ্যে এই লাল সাদাটা আমরা খুব নিজের একটা খুব ফেস্টিভ কম্বিনেশন মনে করি। আমাদের যে কোনো অনুষ্ঠানে লাল সাদাটা আমাদের খুব কাজে লাগে। সুতরাং আজকের এপিসোডটা সমস্ত এই লাল সাদা বা অফ হোয়াইট আর সাদার ওপর এরকম কিছু কালেকশন আপনাদের কাছে দেখাবো। 1 নম্বর শাড়ি বেঙ্গল কটন দিয়ে শুরু করছি। বেঙ্গল কটন হ্যান্ডলুম sarees where hand block has been done. The body and the border is woven. This check is woven. The red border is woven. On top of that, we've done this hand block printing, pigment printing, so that these are without blouse pieces. You can wear it with any red blouse, will look very pretty. Simple red cotton blouse will look very, very pretty in this. Product number 1, 1950, with check woven sari and red woven border with hand block printing. Traditional Bengal cotton sari, Bengali prints, and these are all hand blocks. 1990. Sorry, 1950 I suppose. In case I miss out the price or I quote anything wrong, please check out the description part. This is product number 1. Product number 2, again another block printed, 1950. This is also in a same woven border with black check in the body. This checks is also woven. This is also a woven check with swastik block printing done on it. Even the kalamkari border is in block print on top of the red woven border. The main basic you can understand from here. This is the basic woven red border of the sari. On top of that, the block printing has been done along with this swastik and polka dots. This is the pallu, 1950 only, without blouse piece. Crepes cotton saris can be starched, 100% cotton, Bengal cotton handloom with block printing. So here is the sari. The full sari will be in simple traditional block print with swastik print. 1950 rupees. The washes of these saris are first 2 washes dry clean and then you can wash at home. But preferably if you do dry cleaning, then the glaze is there. Cotton saris, little dry clean, the glaze remains. You can starch them also, sometimes polish. Otherwise no problem, because these are very highly heated. We heat these saris to make the print permanent. See, this is also a very pretty check cotton with silver zari woven border with paisley print all over, sleek temple border in block print. Very smart, simple cotton sari with temple blouse pallu. 1950. I have not given a blouse piece with this because usually these cotton blouses you need lining, so it's best to wear a simple plain red cotton blouse or anything. You can wear a printed cotton blouse which you have also. Anything, a silver blouse, a white and red printed blouse, a kalamkari blouse or a green blouse. How would like what I'm wearing, an indigo blouse. See, even with this indigo it's looking nice. Rajasthani indigo prints, the black and white prints in the Rajasthani indigo prints, those also look nice. So you must be having many of those similar types which you can mix and match with these saris, and ideal for gifting also. This is a check cotton number 4. Check cotton with Madhubani print in it. Zari check, the sari itself is in zari check, it's woven, and on top of this we've done this Madhubani block printing on this. See, a simple sari with a very smart traditional print. And one thing, since these are hand block, there may be 1 or 2 spots here and there. Please note, these are not screen block, these are hand block. So 1 or 2 spots may be there in the sari, which is very natural. You have to compromise with that. 1950 for this. See, a very smart, lightweight cotton, very comfortable and ideal for, বরণের জন্য খুবই ভালো. When when Ma Durga comes, we do boron and all. For that also, this is really very nice. অঞ্জলির জন্য খুব ভালো. Madhubani printing. This is the pallu. Now coming, those were printing. Now coming to painting. Bengal cotton gorod. These are cotton gorods with satin woven border. It looks like the gorod saris we see in Tassar. Similar type, woven in cotton. See the hand painting done on it. From the upper part, this part the painting will come. And the floral painting will go in the pallu. Orange and red with a touch of gold. Gorod border. Gorod border both side, and then here comes the pleat part. The pleat will also have the painting in it. This is the pleat part. So this is the sari. See, a very smart looking at the same time. It's really very cute. Crisp cottons. So this way you can also see the look of the sari. I think these are 2350 in case, right, 2350 without blouse piece. Now another cotton gorod with painting in it. This is Alpona painting, cotton with satin woven border. See the Alpona painting, all freehand painting. We will take orders for this sari, but mind you, you have to give us time. A bit more time, because this is absolutely the festive season, and moreover sometimes the same weave border may not be available, so we have to wait for the weaver to weave them, and then we can do it if it's not available at that moment. So this is another hand painting in cotton. See, with again crisp cotton, lovely sari with this gold stripe in the body, and again the pleats come with painting. The pleat part, when you do the pleating, the first pleat comes here, so that way it will be like this, bigger to smaller. So don't think each body will be different kind of draping, so don't worry, overall look comes out very well. Even if you cannot manage it that way, it will look overall after draping, the whole getup will come anyway very good. We always do these kind of painting, putting the sari on a mannequin, and then we start the painting, so it's more or less the same getup on all bodies. 2250 for this, 2250 for this beauty. Number 7, 2350. Another cotton gorod with hand painting. The previous cotton gorod had a touch of orange. This is only lal shada. And mind you, this is not milk white, this is slightly off white, the natural cotton Bengal cotton color. So I've written lal shada, means not it's milk white, it's off white. So these little technical problem, please don't give me faults and all, because I'm explaining to you, this is off white color, not milk white color. Little off white and milk white also I get a jar from some of the customers, why it's off white, why it's milk white, please. So I'm explaining you, it is off white color. This is the pleat. So here is the sari look. Now another cotton, these are all actually Bengal cotton with woven borders. Now this is a very sober print. Border pallu concept, see. Madhubani block printing again. You can see the figures, traditional Madhubani painting that I show in the Madhubani painting episode. So same thing, it's done in the block. Very sober, very neat cutting block has been used. This is the pallu. See the pallu part. And the whole sari will be like this block printing. Just let me show you properly. You can understand this is the sari. The whole sari till the end will be in block. So this is the sari. And one with this, you can wear a gamcha check blouse piece, will look very nice. Check gamcha check blouse piece or a cotton script printed blouse piece, all will look very nice in this. Now coming to product number 9. As I said, Ma Asche. So a freehand painting of goddess Durga, Ma Durga, only in the pallu. The body will have golpo print in it, Warli block printing in khadi. I don't know how much you can see. This is, see, a self block print has been used in the whole body just to give it an impression. So since it's white color, so on top of that a milk white printing has been done. And this is Ma Durga. See, it's a beautiful hand painting by a art college student for the Durga Puja. The whole sari crisp cotton. This border part is printed. This is a woven border. This too is the block printing border. And once again, I'll show you the painting. So anybody who wants to wear a theme based sari for the pujas, so you can try this one. Even abroad I've seen people wearing lovely theme printed painted saris for Ganesh Chaturthi and also for Durga Puja. So these look very nice, when you wear these kind of cottons for these upcoming festive seasons. Another check cotton with hand painting in it. Floral. Big florals in the pallu. The body I've kept it simple. Only the lower part will have the florals. Freehand painting. Achol. And one side border. Since it's big flowers, I've kept it only in the bottom, not on the top. So with this again, you can wear a orange and red printed cotton blouse or a simple red blouse, a check, gamcha check blouse, anything will look nice. Again, I'm missing out the prices. Please check the prices in the screen. It's all mentioned in the description part. In case mostly the last parts I've missed out the prices, please check out in the description part. And about the mannequin, just see this beautiful hand painting again in cotton. Alpona painting from narrow paisley to broader paisley, these carries will come. Alpona painting, half red and half off-white, and this stripe is done also in freehand painting. These are stripes all painted. See, half and half, two saris has been attached, red and off-white color, with which this painting in the pleat, this pleat, and in the pallu. From here the painting will come in the red part. If you want, I can take orders for the opposite one also. We also have the opposite one. The upper part will be off-white, the pleat will be in red. So that's also possible. This is a very nice looking pretty sari, and the price of this sari is, let me tell you the price of this is 2350, 2350 for this cotton. All freehand painting. This blouse piece is not with the sari, it has a running blouse, but you can wear this kind of printed blouse with it. This is Bengali Borno Porichoy blouse. It's a cotton 1 meter blouse piece, Borno Porichoy, with all the Bengali letters printed on that. Now some again red and white with block printing and katha. So this is a milk white color. With block printing on it, woven border, narrow zari woven border, block printing and little katha buttas throughout the body I have done. This is the pallu, big pallu. This red flowers are all hand stitch. Pure cotton. See, this is till the end, the work will be there. And this has a blouse piece. 2,990 rupees for this. $2,990. Number 12, block printing with thread work. This is thread work. Achol. 2,990. Milk white. See the embroidery and the printing. Beautiful sari with broad mohapar border with thread work. Very traditional. And yes, it must be having a blouse piece. Yes, this is the blouse piece for this. Cotton blouse piece I've given with little work in both the sleeves. This is the blouse piece. All within, budget friendly, 2,990. I've kept the range. Some has little more work, some has little less work, but just to keep a fixed rate, it's all 2,990. These thread work with block printing. This is again temple katha with lower part block printing, achol printing with embroidery. See the embroidery in the pallu. This is the embroidery, this is the block print, this is the block print, border is block print. The yoke part will have temple in the yoke part. Lovely shade, and this is the blouse piece for this. this buta will be there, the temple buta. Okay, it's best I show you the buta. This is the in the sleeves. Number 14, again 2990 block with Katha. This is again Varli block print, folk block print. Yeah, the pallu and the yoke part will have the work. This is the yoke part. Katha, block print in the body, achol with katha, blouse with katha, blouse, and the whole body will have the Varli block print. Can you see the print? Madhubani printing throughout the body. And in the pleat also there will be work. See, this is the pleat part. Three temples in the pleat. So your first pleat it will show before, in between it will show, and the last pleat end it will show. So three big temples in the pleat part. Now this is very sweet. These are not done anything. I found this lovely linen, simple milk white and red linen. I've just kept it as a both, nothing I've done, but it's such a lovely sari, you know, so elegant, and you can really dress up with the silver, gold, pearl, junks, anything, you know, and it's so, this is a totally different, very elegant sari, very different and simple linen, but it looks so pretty on wearing. Anybody will look good in it. Pure cotton linen with blouse piece, and wear it with this blouse, because this combination, this short color red blouse with this bright red woven linen border, this is a lovely sari. Simple pure linen, cotton linen. See the texture, you will love the texture of the linen. Can you see the texture? Just simple লাল সাদা শাড়ি, একদম মানে কোনো কথা হবে না শাড়িটার। Again, I'm missing all the prices, guys. If I've missed out the price, please check the the screenshot. Now here is a lovely Kora Banarasi. Now coming to some other range of saris. This is a Kora Banarasi in cream color, cream with red Banarasi woven border. Very traditional off-white and red, cream and red color. With woven blouse piece. The buta changes in the blouse. Sorry, this is the blouse piece. Uh, 3990 I think for this, 3990. Beautiful sari, lightweight. See the pallu, it's in gold. The border is in red, the pallu is in gold with tassels and woven blouse piece. Now coming to another pure linen with Jamdani weave and Munga Tussar border woven. This is a unique sari, absolutely unique. This is totally Jamdani weave. This part is tussar. Okay, see the weave, you can understand the Jamdani weave. Lal Shada, milk white with the Jamdani weave in linen, and the whole body I have done little thread work, tiny thread work throughout the sari. See the beautiful cute parrot pallu, it's woven. This is totally woven. See the back side, you can see it's woven. Jamdani woven pallu, Jamdani woven border in tussar, and the body is in pure organic linen. This is a beauty. This is one piece saree. I told my weaver to weave a few more of these, more colors, but now he's got something else and weaving is stopped. All moods. See, this is the blouse piece for this. Of course, it will have this is the blouse piece. Exclusive white red saree. And the price for this is 14,500. Now coming to crepe Banarasi, 18 product number 18, 12,900, all over jal antique zari, cream and red color, off-white red color with antique gold zari weave. See the weaving. Ideal for the mothers, for the daughters getting wedded, daughter's wedding, your son-in-law when comes, beautiful. These are wedding sarees and very traditional, ideal for Ashtami. 12,900 for this hand woven pure crepe Banarasi with ghat chola red woven blouse piece. Red and white is always my favorite, always. Before I have all colors of off-white color borders, with off-white I've got all color borders. I love these off-white shades and anybody looks so pretty, and especially jab ye red ho to kya baat. See the weave of the blouse piece. Anybody will look nice in this. Now I've got quite a few more to show you, so I'll be quick from now. So this is another crepe with small buta and woven border pallu. This is the pallu, 12,900, small buta and rich red pallu. See the border weave throughout, booties, small booties throughout, and yes, this too will have the blouse piece. Gorgeous, big sleeves blouses. Don't make sleeveless with this. Please don't waste this fabric. All hand wovens. Pure Katan. So today's episode I am showing you all varieties of this red white collection, Agomoni collection, all in various fabrics starting from cotton, linen, katan, crepes, georgettes and many more. 14,900 for this, 14,900 with this rich katan silk blouse piece. See the rich woven border. Throughout will have gold buta and the basic color is off-white. I usually don't, myself I usually don't wear the milk white one. Somehow I feel there's a reflection in the body and it comes a reflection, but I see people wearing milk white and they carry themselves so well. Milk white has another different, class of its own. See the blouse piece and the pallu. Once again the blouse piece. The brightness of the red, stunning piece. Tussar Banarasi. Tussar Banarasi with Katan red blouse piece. I usually give Katan blouse piece for the in tussar because it gives the silk richness of the silk looks very good against the tussar body. So before pujas, this is the only red and white episode that I'll be doing. This is in cream color, beige color with red border, orange piping, red blouse piece, red pallu, and this is the sari. Please note, every time I tell the neatness of the border weave. In zari, the weaving is should be very, see the border nakshi weave in zari. This is very important. And the back side. This is what you should note. Till the end the buta will be there. And here is the sari with red blouse piece. Tussar embroidery in Dude Alta red with natural tussar color. See the embroidery. This is the work. This is not red. This is Dude Alta. 13,500. 13,500. Again, the border is not attached on top. This is extended to make the sari look better finish and also for the weight. It reduces a lot in the weight. The width remains more. So all these keeping in mind, this is the blouse piece. See the work. Beautiful sari. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, cash on delivery only in Kolkata, outside Kolkata by courier. We are open every day on Sundays also till Durga Puja. Please visit. Many new stock has arrived, so it will be happy. We have the men's collection also in the Cornfield Road branch. This is another Ghat Chola with woven animals in the checkered Ghat Chola weave with this is the border, contrast red border, gold and red color combination, 10,500. It's of beige color with Ghat Chola, Zari weave, Banarasi, pure Georgette Banarasi. And it will have a red woven blouse piece in Georgette. This is the red woven blouse piece in Georgette. And see the richness of the weave. Number 24, again a Georgette Banarasi with antique zari jal weave, all over jal weave, antique zari border, pallu 10,900, all pure Georgette hand woven saris from Banaras by our own master weavers. This is the blouse piece. This is the sari. So starting from 1900 range to 15,000. So all in similar combinations. Achol, body. Georgette Banarasi small booty, बहुत छोटी booty with shikarga woven border. The border is shikarga and the body is very small buttas. 25 10,900. See the pallu. Very rich border. Very rich. See the border. Pure, extremely unusual weaves with red blouse piece. Here is the sari. Please check the border. It's a lovely border. And even the blouse piece border is so sweet, so very pretty border. Georgette Banarasi Ghat Chola check weave with mohapar. I'm sure you're loving the episode as much as I'm loving showing it to you. 10,500 mohapar shikarga woven border with birds. See the border. Off-white color, creamish color with red blouse piece, peacock woven red blouse. All bridal collection actually, these are lovely. It has taken months to curate this episode, thinking of all kind of prices and weaves and fabrics in mind. Now coming to tussar embroidery, tussar katha. Variety changes. See the katha. Beige color natural katha with milk white thread work, red border patti, tassels. Hand katha in tussar. Poddo katha, lotus katha. It's a very traditional katha with, I've given red raw silk contrast border. See the embroidery. This is totally in katha. Price 9,800 rupees, 9800. You can wear a bright red raw silk blouse with this, or the simple sari blouse itself is also very pretty. See, this is the sari blouse with work. Nothing like a big red bindi and shakha pola. My mother-in-law will be very happy today. I'm wearing sindoor also today. Another katha. This is in beige. See the work. Fully handwork katha, beige and cream color work with red. Of course, because it's a Agomoni collection episode, 9,800 for this. Desi tussar, otherwise you will not get this color. Desi tussar, pure heavy quality Desi tussar, hand katha with border in the sleeves. See the work. These are all single piece, no orders for this, only cotton ones I can take order. Georgettes, Katan, crepes and these kathas, no orders, all single piece. Once again, the sari for you. Please click on to the Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, the link is already provided. Okay, before I show another beautiful piece, let me show you what I am wearing. I am wearing a woven soft Bengal cotton dhakai, korat weave. Soft Bengal cotton dhakai, korat weave with geometric katha border, handwork border, pallu and blouse piece. Price 4600, 4600. Beautiful exclusive woven soft cotton dhakai with full border pallu in katha, and it's a very stunning piece of work. See the embroidery. Again, I can take order for this, but 2 months time you have to give me. 4600. Closely the embroidery. Okay, and another lovely piece I'll show you. The last one, pure cotton hakoba. Very fashionable sari. I wanted to wear this, but I wouldn't have draped so many saris. This is a very stylish sari, so it would be difficult for me to show you so many saris of so this why I just wanted to show you in the end. This is a masterpiece sari. This is a lovely cotton cutwork hakoba sari, pure cotton, 100% cotton, with this frill on the upper part of white and red color, pure cotton. See, the whole sari will be like this, except see till the end. So this is the sari, the upper part will be in this. Yeah. And of course it will have this red blouse piece. So with this you can make the sleeves in transparent. This is the sleeves, blouse piece for this. Very fashionable. And the price for this last one, 3,990 rupees. Even the neck piece that I'm wearing, this is also available. You can get to know how much it is. 2,100 for the neck piece with the earring. It has a matching earring also, very cute one, green stone setting in gold and silver. The neck piece and the sari I've already told you, it's a very fashionable sari. So that's it for today. আশা করি ভালো লাগলে একটু কমেন্ট রেখে দেবেন। আর আমার প্রচুর খাটনি, প্রচুর চিন্তা ভাবনা হয়েছে এপিসোডের জন্য। ভালো থাকবেন সবাই, সুস্থ থাকবেন। আগমনী কালেকশন ফর ইউ। নমস্কার।